Once we install Hugo, then it's time to choose a theme. We can create our own theme from scratch, but I'm not going to do this thing. Instead of that, I am going to install a new theme from the Hugo website. So in the Hugo website, on the menu of the top, if you go carefully, you will see on a menu is there. It is called themes. So if you click here, you will see a lot of themes are there. Most of the time, these themes are free. Basically everything is free, but if you need customization, you can do by yourself, or you can hire somebody, or some of the theme basically they have paid services too. You can do this thing. So I'm going to choose one theme from here, which will be like very lightweight, and it will be very fast loading like this. So there are many themes are there. Many themes are there. These are grouped like this way, tags. Like for if you are trying to build your website, which will be like blog style, you can choose one of the theme like this. If you choose blog, it will show you like this. And if you want to if you want like dark theme, then you have to choose from this text section dark, and it will show you the theme which is supporting the dark theme. And again I'm going back, and if you in this way basically they are organizing everything. And even if you are very familiar with Bootstrap, then you can also click here and the Bootstrap related theme will be there. From here you can directly go to the theme detail, and from there you can choose one of the theme. So from this section basically I'm going to install all theme. I'm going to choose this theme, paper mode, which is looking very solid and minimum. So here it is showing this is the output of the paper mode theme, just the picture. There are two buttons are there. uh, Most of the case the theme output, I mean for each theme they have this type of description, and even some of the theme they have very huge documentation also. And mostly it will give you this type of information like license, whether it is free or not. And this is the GitHub stars, that means how popular the popularity of this theme and when it is updated. So this theme updated recently, so definitely this is a good theme. And you have to check this thing carefully, because if you try to use very old theme, then mostly many things it will break. So it's always better or best if you can able to choose the latest theme, and which the theme which has lots of maintainability. Like many people they're like helping each other to create that theme stable like that. This is the author, and some tags are there. And if you click demo, it will give you the demo how the paper model theme will, it will be looking like this, like this. We can go back, and here if you press this button downloads, it will go to the GitHub download page, and here you will find the details how to download or install, how to set up, everything is there. Okay, we'll see those things later. I just showed you how to choose a theme. So I am for this video tutorial series, I'm going to use this theme, but it's fine if you are using any other theme, it will be similar. So in the next video we'll see how we can install this theme with our Hugo website, which we created earlier, right? So this is the folder. We'll install this theme inside here.